welcome to our activity this week. We are working with our book, Pete the Cat and His 4 Groovy Buttons. This is written by Eric Litwin and art by James Dean. If you haven't seen this, please go check it out. It's on the website, all right? It's on YouTube. It's on our page. Options for learning. All right, so this activity we're going to do is an activity with addition, and we're going to even try some subtraction too. So if your child's ready for it, if they're not, it's okay. We'll get there. All right, what I did is I cut out 4 shirts to put buttons on their shirt. And you can do 1, you can do 4. If you want to play with 4 different children, great idea to do 4 different ones. If your one child wants to do a lot of buttons, the more the better, right? Why not? I just cut it out of construction paper. You can use felt if you would like, or any material. All right, so I'm gonna lay my shirts out onto the table. And me being, a teacher, we have a little bit more resources. So I have little dice. They're really little. If you don't have dice, you can use cubes and write numbers on them. You can make dice with paper. I know I did that several weeks ago. Seems like forever ago. We did giraffe dice, but you could have used those, the inside of them maybe, and made your own dice. So you can be creative. You'll find something. All right. So what we're going to do first is we're going to start out with addition. So we're just going to take our dice. So I'm playing by myself, so I only need 1 and 1 groovy shirt, okay? And here are my groovy buttons. You can use whatever buttons you have lying around. These are the buttons I had lying around. So we're going to start with our buttons, and we're going to roll it out. All right, I got a 6, so I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have 6 buttons. You can fill the whole thing, or you can just do it one at a time. I think I'm going to fill the whole thing. There's 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 3. 1, 2, 3. So my buttons are shapes. I can always add more shapes. Introduce the shapes. Oh, I'm going to put a circle like on there. Oh, there's a rectangle and a triangle. What other shapes do you see? Oh, I see a flower shape. This isn't necessarily a shape, but you know it is. And here is a hexagon. Have those open dialogue with your child so they can learn those things too. All right, I'm going to put this to the side and I'm going to show you what I have for addition. Okay, so we're going to do this and we're going to use 2 dice with this one. I'm going to go like this and I'm going to have them, I rolled, my first dice was a 4. So I'm going to put 4. 1, 2, I don't know what that is, 3 and 4. So I put 4 on initially. So with my second die, I'm going to roll it and I'm going to put another 4. So I'm going to make sure that those are out and they can see those numbers. So I'm going to ask my child, how much do you think 4 plus 4 is? So we're going to go and we're going to put our 4 down. There's my 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So they have 8 buttons now on their shirt. All right, so we're going to go to the next one, which is subtraction. That's a little bit more complex. So, I think I'm going to start, because my dice goes up to 6, I'm going to start with, there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm going to start with 10. So I'm going to say 10. I wonder what 10 minus 3 is. What is 10 minus 3? So I'm going to have my child take 1, 2, 3 buttons off of their shirts. What is 10 minus 3? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 minus 3 is 7. It's a good way for them to visually see their math problems. Make it less stressful and playful. And that's what children learn by, is the play. All right, I hope you enjoyed our activity for Pete the Cat and his 4 groovy buttons. If you would like to see the book, please check it out. All right, bye. See you next time.